Tariki ne 21 omutinyo kenda omwaka w'ekiri 2022 asine yaliganire bene kurwa ase emesa ya mangana maya elinde ngomanye nara yanyareko bakagokorekana kurwa chingongo chensi inye chense chinga kitoro che county ya Kisii egendete kuyaliganire bene ase ogoteniko kwaba MCA ime county eyo naboigo ogochigochora omonogeri bwe county ya Kisii boigo ase ensemo ya Nyamira nigo abamenyi benseme yo bagendete korwa ebirengereri byabo kubwatikana no korusigwa kwa marupurupu ase abajumbe naboigo gochikoiranirwa chibesa kiri kya CDF naboigo chinga kitoroche omurai wense Dr. William Ruto aganire goikerana ase nseri ya America elinde gochigokwanera amangana yoborendi naboigo amagenderero ase egati yechinse cyo ibere boigo ogotianirwa kwaba MCA nigo kugendete gokorekana ase chi county imense to ya Kenya haine gati alingwariganirtie ase emesa ya mangana maya ase ndachikokomanya ase nchera yobwikirano kenda gotobwatia ase nsemo chi mitandao ase nsemo ya Facebook na bagotonyera gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital na boiga ase nsemo ya YouTube na bagotonyera gwetera Ndizi TV News ase nsemo ya website na bagotonyera gwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke Eretaria ne Frida Kerubo na nsemo chi byorokerelyo nigotokubwatera nere Joshua Autangwira nanda sege kekeke ngomanyi asobwagale Ingo chaka kegima omwanchu moligerere nigongo chakera county ya Kisii asengo komanyibuna emerobere yogo chigotiania aba MCA ase county yo nigo yabereke goikerana bene ase omonogeri we county yogo se omoclerk we county assembly James Nyaoga anyara ko baga kwene kibuna litkoria ankyo nigo aba MCA barachigotianirwa nabo komochogera omonogeri we ebunge we county yo korende abo barachigoikerana ase omoyego yo no mugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati na boigo omo senator na boigo omo women rep abarachikolgereria naki omo yegoyo arachigokorekana bene omorikito natalira chinseme cyo na gotwaliganiria oroboti rwa senchera yobwagale Emerobelio yo moyega bogotenigwa kwa ba MCA ime county ya Kisii ritkoria Alamisi nigo oikeranire bene gukwana no muklak be county ya Kisii nigo aerera aliara chigokorekana ase omoyego yo ase aba MCA emerongo etano nebere no yo mobaratianigwe ega emerobelio togante okorane yo gochoro mu speaker mambia amane yo gotiane aba MCA bali bachorwa na bali nominated emerobelio yaere ego mambia ogotiani woko chaka chinsa isato cha mambia aba MCA bonse pia bale 71 alafu ntobate nominated bale 26 na ntobate elected bale 45 aba MCA na baba cha korobo chole umambe na nabuto cha gotiani gaiga na bali bakoboli obo speaker bali 13 abana na bagoche wakero chikura oyo kubuoyo monero gocha kubomo speaker agenderelie ebikao bya county assembly semya ketane gocha ego emerobelio ya mambe nere itobwata boigo nigo aerera bali bancheiro goikerana ase omoyegoyo gati yabo omugavana okabere bya county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati omasenator Richard Momoimana boigo omo women rep Doris Aburi elio kweneki ogotiani goko asaba MCA aba 171 mbancheire gocha nabageni batatu Mano abantu family members naende ntwegene tengo mugavana ito Paul Simbarati nere na akaraiga na moseneta Richard Momoimonyonka amo Nadonya woman representative iga otra joto twara bagani abanga mambia ntuntu yaliganete ko twara bagani abonse gaiga Voigo obochori bomonogeri bwe county ya Kisii nigo borakorekane ase abarwaneri bale 13 aba bakobwatia ambarabo bagocha wakero chikora cyo speaker mambia
Charles Ndege Mugaka, Christopher Siambe Amisi, David Oiro Abuya, Dr. Chwea Laban Matoke, Dr. Philip Machuki Nyanumba, Elizafano Angima, Eric Janganya, Gideon Nyambati, Chafet Oginga Nyakundi, Joshua Mangabo Mamanyi, Julie Nyanchamanya Mao, Nyabuto Kevin Mamboleo, Thomas Kerongo Maatwa. Isibali mutanyale kwikaga gamambi na bomoko mokoli TV chene Ndizi TV marolewa buno moyego yo ogocha kogendera ligumambia Biamano.
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.
Chinga kiechio oboigo oyoligetie ekero kyobo women rep ime county ya Kisii Recho Otundo nigo airali bagalia elia bene na kobobolia aba MCA ase county yo koligerelia ase oboime na boigo gochora omonagari bwe county yo oyora chikoba kolera emirimo emeronge ase emiaka 5 eribusio orobatira senchera iyo bwikirano
ekero aba MCA be county ya Kisii barobereirie gochigotianiwa na boigo komochora omonogeri bwebunge iyo nigo bono banyarire bakoborigwa komochora omonogeri uranyare goikirania amaganio ye county ya Kisii
tengango apisho mole anali tukulina ne mochore speaker ugonde tekotera mochore speaker kumoranche ake sabunga type ke speaker mochora mochore speaker because mwata dunga this is where you are supposed to ntoma tenga abande mweru isiko mwachire watagwese mwantu kubege speaker ko chito tokurate abakwaso alibatigala tega abwate freedom batarikogenda. We want to say kudos to you.
Boigorejo nigakwanire ogotagokyo kwaye asenzemeri yababunge abachore
akwa nominated the nomination yachete asengencho echego ke agenda gap abantu abange babe elected abange babe elected abantu ba disabled babe elected na youths babe elected erinde narichibe asira abechinke gosaba abantu bakwa nominated bakwa babake twakanechibe asachinke
nigo boigo rejamentrebuna abasubati bali bagochorwa ase birogo awao anene ase birogo bya nomination nabo bairire abasubati batarikonyora amabaga ase ebirogo
abantu bakwirorerwa abo nomination boire does it meaning that there are no any other women bagokorera ase party babo want to nominated? Should we nominate the same women every time na under the same time batarikocha bali gikura? So nomination beats logic. Gender the Goboria, the members of national government or national assembly, members of national assembly mwali want mwali to bill bungeni moto chencheri mwame ndiye mangana nomination in the political parties act
boigo nigorecho anyarire gakobori ebyama ao ekero bigokora obochori ibwabo anena sebirogo bya nominations kurigereria na gotanchereria onde bwensi
wade chipati cha Kisii cha party leaders bale Kisii county gaiga tuarode nominations bakoreta nepotism ase party bagochora abairi relatives and bachora kurwe kurende eklani kama gosukurwe kurende constituency yemo wono tuamenyere gokuminga wono chipati ejine chipati cha national ose chipati cha village ose ade village party. So we asking the political parties registrar and the way they do their nominations.
Asenzemeri ya CDF nigobono rechatebiruna ere ase okorra kwaye CDF nigo yakorire amange ibone netakere gotigara ase abachumbe.
Chirocho we recommend etutatishiga CDF sigandere kobororo iki CDF yakorire asingia ase chi constituency kenga chonspi
boigo niga machiri abachumbe anenekero banyarire bagukwanira igoro yengwana gose igoro yengana iriyo kurigereria okomentwa engeri yabo nechibasiri bagwikaransira gusimanyikantebuna arawenses
CRC yabetworo iriyo yamangane meshara. So iba babunga bagana baroba change for themselves, then that means you have no to chakira kubunira lichiko mangana ina bagwana tukura ligereriwa in a better way na babunga bana bachete. It is very sad which akanechwa sichabo batu webete into ikiaraboniga tubwata abantu bayante gukwa sengenche nchara tubwata drought shombe chigukwa in the semi arid regions ntubwate mechande boni gabana buguma bo the cost of living so tutetenga ababunge baratubeka bosigiani ntutwabegana ntubusi tukabachora so bagwente ko torengera fast bamanye kwerengereria
Gulipoteri gataseni Ndizi TV koru a somocho bosongo redariane Brighton Makori.
Mbiamano sana omuriketo Brighton Makori ase ogotwariganiria oroboti rwa senchira yobikiranu kurende togotigana nayo ni otokende masemo weka ase county ya Nyamira abwasengo kumanyibuna abamenyi be county yo ni gobono barure ebirengereri byabo kubwatikana ne kibesa kiri kya CDF go senchi bwenete gotigara ase abajumbe kurende nabo igoni go baganirie eserikali okikoligereria marupurupu y'abajumbe ase babwenete kwena cha elinde kweneki obakoleri ya asenseito ya Kenya. Omurikito Job Maangi na irali bagalia lya bene gutwariganiria orobotero asenchera yobikiranu.
Nigo okungusana na kwabeire egatie kyombe getenenerete emesara n'ababunge igoro y'ekibesa bakwegwa ekyo kikoroka allowances asamatuko abwangoiga ntwabatogosanga n'abamenyi be county ya Nyamira igoro y'ebirengereri byabo igoro y'enganeye
igoro ya allowances cy'abachumbe na kikanire tintagete because mbali kiro musara
ngana yogo ke kibesa cyo kinzagire kigwe
igati abamenyi be county ya Nyamira mbasaba emisara gokeigwa naende mbaye wa kibesa kya allowances kolende kibesa ekyo kitumekwe koleta amagenderero
njaso kuligeri kwane igondo tenga kibesa ekyo kya sitting allowance kyabaheshimiwa ekibwana takirusi kuororo kinyara gokonya ense yaito asa amangana muna ya madeni amangana muna maguta bone bintu bimenda teiga
eserikali yankuligeri buya kibesa cy'abachumbe bakoria kinyinge mono tia chinachwe cyagwa bataka
ensemo y'ekibesa kya CDF mbarwa ogosaba ababunge baegwe elinde bakitumeke okolera amagenderero
CDF ero batigegwe kinyawa konya abana inchi buna bone ensemo y'ekipara kisukuru kinyagetari
na CDF nerekogero muchumbo ira nobisi onye mbali ko kikoibe korro abachumba bango kikonya bali gasie ngongu
asa abande bagikelia obotumeki obobe bw'ekibesa kya CDF nagosaba kibekwe ase obolendi obuya
CDF efandi elia nawe yabege tubuya sana oyo yaretete had very good ideas lakini abachumbe bonse from one to the last wa misuse that fund number 1 iko bako tumia kibesa kiri kuri ward cronies kuri ward loyalists na gokonya abairi babo kibesa kiri pack to the treasury kibe reallocated kikonya sectors yake
CDF tigechese county karo ya chirese county kitenene runande no monto mungaopi ojo taralisabu manya abana abo abataka abana basireire abaiboli toto abanisi bamanya nga baeguna barobwe pasali
urwase county ya Nyamira ginko reporteria Ndizi TV Joba Maangi
Mbiamano sana omuriketo Job Maangi asogotwariganiria oroboteru asenchira yobekiranu kolende togotigana no oroboteru na gosika mutuni gongo kumanyibuna oyo kabeire omo MCA we ward ya Boikanga Elkana Makori Nyandoro nigo bono abolire eserikali enene koligereria oborai bw'abasubati ase eserikali kinga kyekyo boigo nigo abolire abaraikorwa ase orogongo rwa Gusii koyene kibuna banyare kwa bakwenyorera amabaga ase serikali enene elinde koyeneki okoegendereria ase wose kogendereria orogongo rwa Gusii oroboti rwa sinchira iyo bikiranu
Yonda densabe His Excellency the President iga Gusii yekoreka na wose kurige no na bokororanga abangina bagusii ndoriko bamere mu buneta keire yonda yetoiro koboko kwao nayo obamente obae gekogeraga Gusii no gochora bangine mirimo yabeire mekongo yekobe mekongo yekogera abantu baitu batwariro oboncho bonge bakwe bangabangina pia mbagiete kisukuru nandi babwete no nabagaka bande gaiga akiri barojenga gotekera samba okora bintu onare gusabanga enga kimune gojo korobo chori buao bali morato ke mogo ikange mate bintombire togo chiko babarera maxima ke make una monaba chumba bamwacho rumurero goro yabo soro yabo arifa yabo chanda nabande umayenge account ne to kuba bale abono tutayikunyara kurwana barayibande ubwana tani kumnyoka murwane renya meya zere mo sabe ke talino ane akemo bibere bitatu tonyolenga nabangina mono bunaga abayiru
Gotigana nayo mwanchumulie na gosika mutuni gongo kumanyibuna ogotiani gwa kwa ba MCA ase chi county nigo gwakorekana litukolia rero ase ebuna enchera eyemoyo gochaka emirimo kigima ase miaka 5 eribusio oigo nigo obochogeri bo monogeri bwe county bwanyarako abogo korekana ase chi county egati yabo county ya Bomet Trans Nzoia na boigo Murang'a era libagali ya bene gochora omonogeri bwe county bariko eneki obokore obuya ase emiaka 5 eribusio omoriketo Evelyn Osero noroboti rwasinchira iyo bwikirano
Ogotiani kwa ba MCA na boigo ko bachora banogeri ase county assembly nigo kogendrete ase county au omuroberio chage territory Jumatatu chitariki 19 cy'omutienyoyo omuroberio yo nigo boigo genderera ritkoria rero ase ba MCA balya batiani wa bachora banogeri babo na boigo batiani werigo chaka obokoreri ase abananchi Cosmas Korir no monogeri bwe assembly ya Bomet
Cosmas Kipngetich Korir, having been elected as Speaker of the County Assembly of Bomet, do swear in the name of Almighty God of the County Assembly of Bomet.
Korir nigo boigo akambuya asogo chorwa nagoteba na chikurobo bokoreri borobuya ase county yo.
The journey to serve and meet the immense expectations and the needs of Bomet people has just begun. We all have a dream for a prosperous Bomet, and now it is time to settle down and work.
Andrew Wanyonyi oyochorwa buno monogeri bwe county assembly ya Trans Nzoia nigateba mbachikubwaterana no mugavana nabo igabara ibande bonsi korwa bokoreri borobuya gochiase abamenyi be county yo.
To support our executive, His Excellency George Natembeya. He sold his manifesto to our people in the county, and our role is going to just assist him on oversight matters and help him achieve his objectives. So to the people of Trans Nzoia, expect good tidings, and our MCAs and our staff, better days are ahead.
Nere Johnson Mkuhu oyochorwa buno monogeri bwe county assembly ya Murang'a nigateba munamba chekoinekia aba MCA monsi banyorire chingak chinyororo chiokorwa bokoreri boroburunke.
We will unite in seeking the needed assistance for MCAs to especially improve their working conditions and welfare. It is important to improve the welfare of MCAs. We should seriously better the lot of our legislators. In addition, we will, with guidance of the clerk of this county assembly, who is also the secretary of the county assembly board, come up with more strategies of motivating our staff and improving their welfare.
Nonyane chingaki ya rokanira banke babo bakwemurungania no wetu wa kwa marieta ya ba MCA egati ya bari aba ikorwaniriro bo speaker se county ya Kilifi nigo bemurungania chingaki ya marieta abo ati waisiko asibate batibara manyana seki asengencho mbabwatonsi ariaganeirie.
Having qualified, having met all the requirements in regard to their advert and also in regard to the standing orders of the House of the County Assembly of Wajir, it is unfortunate that they could not shortlist me.
The same members of County Assembly who signed for me have also signed for another applicant. So I'm here to express my discontent and dissatisfaction on the whole process.
Omuroberio yobono nigo korekana ase chinsemo au na boigo abanogeri gochorwa abwase orache kogenderera ase chinsemo chinde koenekia aba MCA bonsi ase county emeronkene na isano na ibere batianiwe erego chaka obokoreri bwabo bene ngoripotire getaseni kya Ndizi TV eriatariane Evelyn Osero.
Mbiamano sana Evelyn Sero asogotwariganiria orobotioru oria kurinde togotigana nayo ni gotoka ende masemo weka ase county ya Nairobi asengo kumanyuna endege eyemoni go ya walitkoria rero ase game park ya Nairobi chinsa isano chamambia kurinde abanyanyimbo mbaikirana ase chinsemecho elinde gotuka ningikeirera endege yo kogwa kurinde mwanchi muligiriria ntochigo kumanya ase oboikirano ningi yakorekana ase chinsemecho Otigana nayo omwanchi omurigereria nigo ngokomanyibona omuraibense Dr. William Ruto nigo akageire goikirana ebarasa yoborendi ase obomo bwechinse chirichia America erinde gokwanera amagenderero naboigo oborendi gegati yechinse chibere America naboigo Kenya Otigana nayo omwanchi omuriye na gosika mutuni gongo komanyibuna ogotiani kwa aba MCA ase county ya West Pokot nigo gwakorekana bene ase boigo banyorera libagali okomochora omonogeri bwe county yo kurinde oyoba omubuigo soyoba omonogeri bwe county yo niga kwa Frederick Kaptui ase anyora libagali bene ase gochigokora emirimo ase miaka 5 eribosio
Frederick Kaptui do swear in the name of the Almighty God that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of Speaker of West Pokot County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office to the best of my judgment, that I shall at all times respect, uphold, preserve, protect and defend this Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, and that I shall do right to all manner of persons in accordance with the Constitution of Kenya and the laws and conventions of Parliament. That I shall do justice to all, so help me God. I speak with great humility and deep sense of honor and an answering result to honor you trust that I take the chair as the Speaker of the 3rd County Assembly of West Pokot. I wish to take this opportunity to thank the clerk of the County Assembly for graciously preparing and guiding us towards the success of this auspicious occasion. As Speaker, I want to express my sincerest appreciation to honorable members for the confidence they have placed in me and for the great responsibilities that have been entrusted by the County Assembly in accordance with the standing orders of the respective County Assembly from among members of the County Assembly.
Gotigana nayo mwanchi omuliye na gosika mutuni gongo komanyibuna omunachebi na omonene Martha Koome ni gatebire buna ebigambiro byonsi mbichikoeneki obokoleri obuya ase bagochigosira chi sector chonsi ase nseito ya Kenya gokwana ase omusangerikano oyomo ime county ya Nakuru ase amayigelio y'abaseneta aregokorekana nigo abolire abantu bonsi kubwaterana asobwamo erinde koeneki obokoleri obuya ase nseito ya Kenya.
We are developing rich indigenous jurisprudence that has protected the spirit and the tenure of devolution, and this has also enabled the devolved institutions as established under the Constitution to function optimally. The courts have done this by adopting a purposive approach to constitutional interpretation. We all serve the same people. If we are in the executive, if we are in the judiciary, or if we are in the legislature like you are, we all render service to one Kenyan.
Ababwatani beme bagani nabo igo bali bakonia ebinyegwa byogotinde abona nigo besokiri bene nabo igo kogania eserikali gokeya emishara y'abajumbe nabo igo abawaziri ase baganiri abakori emirimo beserikali koligererwa ase oboime nabo igo kobwa goligereria omwananchi okawaida kolende nigo baganirie eserikali kogenderea umorobiriri bogokinia ebinyegwa byogotinde ase ekerengo gya 6.3% ase batebabuna serikali eisagwetani abo nigo baranyara kwa bagosiria ebiasara ebinge orobatero asenchira eyo bwikirano.
If really the government or the KRA is looking for tax, why don't they cut down on the salaries that they are giving MPs, on the salaries that they are giving the PSs, on the salaries that they are giving the CSs, or even the trips that they keep on going, on the allowances? Bona they have to come to the common mwananchi then to finish him again. These are the guys that come to our places because of stress. Now you are telling them not to come there and to go back to Chang'an. I really urge the government that as stakeholders, let us have a meeting. Balita is ready. We have the industries. We have the ABAC. Let us sit down and try and look for a solution, because there are other ways that they can get, they can increase tax somewhere else. If you look today at our businesses, that is in Murang'a, we had, before COVID, we had 2,400 premises. But today, 2 years down the line, we have lost 400 premises. Those people are not longer in business, and I know when we start increasing again, this tax that is being told by the KRA guys, I know we will lose another 400 premises. And when you lose about 800 premises, which are premises employs 5 to 6 people, Germany, those are our youth that will go home.
We really request the government to go with the plan of increasing the beer prices by 6.3%. Kwa sababu to add that percentage, it means our customers will really not be able to consume the Kenya Breweries beer, which is actually, we would say, is the beer which is known. People who pay taxes from Kenya Breweries do pay taxes, and increasing that one mean now our people will go to start taking second generation beer and illicit Tribu plus Shanga. Beer cannot be avoided. That's where the people go to get the solace. And so increasing the beer. And because even what the people are earning, somebody earning 500 shilling, somebody has a family of 4 people, and the unga, the price is 250. You can imagine, so that somebody cannot support the family to provide the breakfast, the lunch and the supper.
Ningeomba hata kama wanaongeza pombe, wajaribu kuangalia wanayuthi wetu sana. Watoto wetu wanapotelea kwa pombe, kwa bangi, wanapotelea kwa ile pombe mbaya. Na hata wengi hawawezi kujipeleka kwa kilabu. Wanaenda kukunywa hizo pombe mbaya mahali ziko. Unawaona kwa barabara wamelewa na hata hawajatoka kwa vilabu.
Omwanchi omurigereria nigo ngomanyigwa buna omurai bwense ya Kenya Dr. William Ruto nigo aikiranire chinsemo chiri chia New York ase chikoraga chinsa isato chia bono botuko na chigokwana nabaliki bamang'ana nabaigo ababwatani korwa ase kiombegeri kia unga United Nation General Assemblies ase agochigokwanera emeroberi ya magenderero nabaigo okweneki obwamate obuya egati yense ya Kenya nabaigo chinse chiri cheisiko mwanchi omulieto basagosikato basakonyegera yona mange no chiko yanyora chikoraga chinsa isato chiabono marogoba kondegenda gotobwatia asinsemo chimitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyara gwitira Ndizi TV News Digital na biga asensemo ya YouTube na bagotonyara gwitira Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bagotonyara gwitira www.ndizitv.or.ke maiga chikamera sokone kibuna ebicha na boigelio gira gwikira sole asenchira ya bene na repetronira mukira tonya kwa tukubwatanera Joshua Auta asinsemo chibyorokereryo na ncheria ne Frida Kerubongo kuganilia oboligererio bya chinga kichikoraga chinsa isatomora chikomerana nere John Kebati linda koletere amangana Amayia ase enchira yobwikirano ngo kuganilia oboligereria obya.